Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new session in which we will understand how to multiply matrices. Okay. So, first, try to understand the condition. Like, under what condition we guys can multiply two matrix. So, suppose that we have this matrix whose order is m cross n. Okay, and we will multiply this matrix with some other matrix which is of order n cross o. Okay, so just be super slow and observe this thing carefully. This thing, so you know it is rows, it is column, it is rows, it is column. So the number of columns of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of second matrix. Then only we can multiply. Okay. Now suppose that if you will multiply both the things, okay, so you get some matrix. So after multiplying matrix with matrix, you will get a matrix, and the order will be this cross this. Okay, so you will have matrix of order m cross o. Okay, is it clear now? So I hope you know the condition under which we guys can multiply matrix. Means the number of columns of first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of second matrix. Also, if you multiply, the order of resultant matrix will be equal to m cross o, means rows, number of rows of first matrix with number of columns of second matrix. Okay, now suppose that you guys are trying to multiply two matrix. So at the end, suppose you will get this. So first try to understand how we will multiply. First, you know that it is the address of this element is A11. So what you have to do, you have to look at this first thing, A11. So you have to multiply to the number of like elements of row 1 of first column, first matrix, okay, with the column of with first column of second matrix. Okay, so this is row 1 with column 1. You have to multiply row 1 of first matrix with column 1 of second matrix, then you will get this element, and you have to add them, means corresponding element has to be multiplied. I will take an example as well for your better understanding, but for time being, look at this. Suppose it is 1 2. Okay, so this means you have to get this element, we have to multiply row 1 with column 2. This is first, this is second. So row 1 of first matrix with column 2 of second matrix. Similarly, we will go with A13, means to get this element we will multiply row 1 with column 3, and we will keep on going. Okay, and similarly you will get all the elements. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Okay, now, so like when we will take example now, you will have better clarity, but try to understand that. Suppose that it is 5 cross 7, so you have to multiply to get this element, we have to multiply fifth row with seventh column, fifth row with seventh column, and this is of first matrix this is of second matrix. I hope the idea is clear, and when we guys will take illustrations, you guys can respond accordingly. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.